Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. I've got a great cup here. This is the Coleman 20-ounce stainless steel tumbler. This is double insulated. It has a great top with a way to close it completely so your liquids don't spill out, or you can leave it open and drink from this spout. I like to put a straw in this area and drink from a straw, but no matter what I have in this cup, whether it's hot or cold, it lasts all day. Couple of nice features. It's got a very smooth surface here, so what I did is I just put a sticker with my name and it works perfectly. Also, it has a bottle opener here on the bottom, and it also has this silicone rubber bottom so that it doesn't make any loud noises when you do put it down, which I do really enjoy that. I don't have to worry about it damaging anything. So if you're looking for a great tumbler that's going to last you all day, then I highly recommend this one, but that's just my point of view.